Good morning/afternoon, everyone. I'm excited to dive into the fascinating world of bloodstain pattern analysis in forensic investigations. Today, we'll explore key terminology, essential techniques, and practical applications that help reconstruct crime scenes and support the pursuit of justice. This is a crucial field that combines science and detective work to uncover the truth behind the evidence. Let's get started. Bloodstain pattern analysis is an essential forensic technique that helps us understand the events leading to bloodshed at a crime scene. By looking closely at the size, shape, distribution, and location of bloodstains, we can piece together movements and actions of both victims and suspects. This detailed examination can reveal not just what happened, but also the types of weapons involved and the sequence in which events unfolded. Ultimately, this analysis offers crucial evidence that supports investigations and helps confirm or challenge witness statements. It's a powerful tool in uncovering the truth behind violent incidents. Here, we're looking at some basic terminology and concepts that are essential for understanding bloodstain pattern analysis. First, the parent drop is the main blood droplet. It's important because smaller droplets can separate from this original drop. Those smaller droplets are known as satellite spatter, which are tiny secondary droplets that break off when the parent drop hits a surface. Moving on to the shapes of bloodstains, these can vary widely. They might be circular, elongated, or irregular. The shape can tell us a lot about where the blood came from, its speed, and the direction it was traveling. Finally, the size of the bloodstain is also significant. Larger stains might indicate a higher force or a drop from a greater height, which helps experts piece together the events that cause a bloodshed. Overall, understanding these elements gives us a clearer picture of the scene. Now, let's look at the different types of bloodstain patterns. First, we have passive stains. These occur simply because of gravity, like when blood drips or pools on a surface without any added force. Next are transfer stains. These happen when a bloody object touches another surface and leaves a mark, essentially transferring the blood from one place to another. Lastly, there are projected stains, which are formed when blood is forced through the air due to an external force. This category includes impact spatter, like from a blunt force, or arterial spurting, where blood is pumped out under pressure from an artery. Each type gives us important clues about what occurred during the incident. When analyzing bloodstains, the first key technique is determining the angle of impact. This is done by measuring the shape of the stains, typically using the width to length ratio. This calculation helps us understand the direction the blood was traveling when it hit the surface. Next, we look at directionality, which shows the path the blood droplets followed. This is crucial for reconstructing movements and events at the scene, giving us insight into what happened. Finally, surface effects play a significant role. Different surfaces, whether smooth, rough, or absorbent, affect the shape and size of bloodstains. Experts take these differences into account to ensure they interpret the patterns accurately and avoid any mistakes in reading the evidence. When it comes to analyzing bloodstain patterns, having the right tools is essential. First, we rely on high-resolution cameras paired with specialized lighting. This combination allows us to capture detailed images of the bloodstains, preserving their features accurately for further study. Next, measuring devices like protractors and rulers play a crucial role. They help us determine the exact size and angles of the stains, which is key to understanding how the blood traveled. Finally, advanced software comes into play. These digital tools enable us to model blood trajectories and even reconstruct the crime scene in a virtual environment. This not only improves precision, but also brings clarity to the overall analysis, helping us piece together what actually happened. In this case study, bloodstain pattern analysis played a crucial role in understanding the event of a violent assault. By carefully examining the distribution and characteristics of blood spatters, experts were able to determine the relative positions of both the victim and the suspect during the incident. Specifically, they analyzed spatter patterns on the walls and on clothing, which allowed them to reconstruct the sequence of blows and track how the people involved moved throughout the space. This scientific insight was then compared with witness statements, and it helped identify discrepancies in the suspect account, providing a clearer picture of what actually happened. Ultimately, this analysis not only strengthened the investigation, but also supported the prosecution, making the case more robust and reliable. Bloodstain pattern analysis is a crucial part of forensic investigations because it offers objective insights into the circumstances surrounding bloodshed. By examining these patterns, investigators can reconstruct events and verify or challenge testimonies, which greatly supports the pursuit of justice. To do this accurately, it's essential to have a strong understanding of key terminology, various pattern classifications, analytical techniques, and the proper use of tools. Mastering these areas not only ensures precise interpretation, but also plays a significant role in solving crimes more effectively.